welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for deciding to click on today's video. It is going to be my Boxycharm unboxing. I have here my Boxycharm from the month of July. I just received this. I've yet to open it. So in today's video, I am going to be unboxing my Boxycharm. So if you guys want to know what came inside my Boxycharm this month, the Boxycharm for the month of July, go ahead and keep on watching. Boxycharm for the month of July. I'm really excited to get into it and see what products are inside. If you guys do not know what Boxycharm is, it is a monthly subscription service where you receive makeup products every single month. It is $21 and you typically receive five to six full-size products in your box every single month, which is really great because Boxycharm is a little bit different than other subscription services because you are getting full-size products, which is amazing. And we've gotten some really good products lately. So I will have Boxycharm linked down below if you guys want to go ahead and sign up. And let's go ahead and open up my box. All right, so I really haven't watched anyone else's unboxings and I haven't really seen too many teasers, so I have no clue what is going to be inside of this. So let's see here. Every single month there is a theme to the box. So this month's theme is road tripping. Ooh, it looks like we got some cool products in here. Okay, and on the back there normally is a couple coupons. So I have a Wonder Beauty coupon and then also a pharmacy coupon, both for 20% off. So let's go ahead and open it up. Okay, so the first thing I see here is this Bright On Massage Activated Vitamin C Mask. I've actually never heard of this brand before. So here's what it looks like. Kind of cool packaging, how it like fades like this. So this says that it is a vitamin C clay mask that instantly brightens and helps detox your skin by removing buildup and imperfections in your skin for the appearance of texture and to help tone. So this retails for $38. So it is a pretty pricey mask. So let's go ahead and see what other products we have in here. The next thing I see is from Note Cosmetics, and this is going to be a Luminous Silk Compact Blush. So let's open it up and see what it looks like. This one is in Desert Rose. Here is what it looks like. And the packaging on this is okay. I feel like Note's packaging could use a little updating maybe. I feel like it's just always kind of flimsy. Ooh, this feels really nice though. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys. I'm gonna do a couple swatches just because it's a blush so you can see. All right, and here is the blush swatch, and it felt super buttery when I put my finger into it, so that's always a good sign. And I love a good blush that's like this peachy kind of shade. That's my favorite. So excited about that. And then that one also retails for $11.99. So the next product I have in here is from Wonder Beauty, and this is their Unlashed Volume and Curl Mascara. This is a different tube, so it kind of looks like almost like a squeeze tube. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the wand of the mascara. So here's what the wand looks like. I've never tried a mascara from Wonder. I have tried quite a few of their products and I do enjoy the brand. They have some really, really good lip products. So I would assume that this would be a pretty good mascara. The value on this one is $24. All right, and then our next product in here is from Cella, and I actually really do enjoy their brow products. So this is their Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. I actually own this already. So what it is it has here on the bottom, there is like a cream consistency. It's very similar to like a dip brow or like a ka-brow from Benefit. And then on the other side, it has a brush. I don't absolutely love the brush applicator of this. I have tried it, like I said. For me, I prefer them to be like a little bit more stiff, and this one's a little bit like, I don't know if you guys can tell really, but it definitely has like a little bit of movement to it. So for me, I like more of a stiff one. So I use this product, but I actually use like my own brush with it. Not saying that it wouldn't work out for you guys, but it is a good eyebrow product. It works really well, and I like the color too, because taupe is my color. I want to go ahead and swatch the color for you guys so you can see in case you get this in your box or you're thinking about getting this box. Here is the color taupe. And then the last product in here looks like a eyeshadow palette. This is always fun to get in here. So let me see who this is from. It looks like it's from Crown. Here is the eyeshadow palette. This is from Crown. We have the rose gold packaging, and it does have a mirror here on the front. So I have a nice little large mirror here, and then we have the shades on the inside. Here's what the inside of the palette looks like. So it looks like we have some matte shades as well as some shimmer shades. This is like a neutrals palette. So let me go ahead and swatch all the shades for you guys. So here are the swatches from the palette. It is called the Fuego palette. It does have 10 different shades. It has 4 shimmer shades and then 6 matte shades. They all look to be pretty pigmented. I'm actually pretty surprised. I've never tried any of the Crown eyeshadow palettes, so this will be my first time. So definitely have to try it out on the eyes, and I'll let you guys know what I think. But so far, I feel like they feel really nice, and they feel like they're going to be really pigmented in the swatches. This retails for $29.99, so a $30 eyeshadow palette. I have, like I said, never tried anything from Crown before, so I'll be curious to try this out. It's definitely a nice warm neutral palette that I feel like a lot of people will actually really enjoy. So I just totaled up all of the products that you're getting in this month's box, and it is $129.98. So that is the total value of this Boxycharm this month. And I have to say that there's a few of these products that I'm pretty excited about. I am excited about the eyeshadow palette because I have been wanting to try some things from Crown. I've heard that they're very comparable to like Morphe, and I'm excited to try this out. Also, I love this brow product from Chella. I've also used this before, so I do enjoy this. And I am excited to try the mascara. I would say the things that I'm kind of like most, I'm excited about, but I don't know. So Note Cosmetics, I've had kind of mixed experiences with Note. So I'm excited to try the blush out though. It did look really pretty. And then the Pharmacy Bright On. I've never actually heard of this brand, but I am excited to try this out. So these are the products that I did receive this month in my July Boxycharm. Let me know down below if you guys received the same products in your box once you receive it, or if you got something else. I would love to know what you did get inside of your box. Give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Also, make sure you subscribe down below so you do not miss out on any of my future Boxycharm unboxings. And I will see you guys in Monday's video. Bye, friends.